In front of me is DOOGEE V30, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access apps. Then click on Default Apps and click on one of those options to manage it, like a browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!